You put in your earbuds, and the world doesn't just get quiet. It becomes intelligent. Like your AirPods don't simply play music anymore. They understand where you are, what you're doing, what you need, and they shape your entire reality in real time. Now if that sounds like science fiction, here's the wild part. Apple is quietly building that future right now, and it may arrive with one product people aren't talking about enough yet, the AirPods Pro 4. And today I'm going to tell you exactly why AirPods Pro 4 could be the biggest leap Apple has ever made in earbuds. Not just better sound, not just better noise cancelling, but a complete transformation of what earbuds even are. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. So if you've ever thought, I'll just keep my AirPods Pro 2, or even I'll wait for AirPods Pro 3, you might want to pause. Because the AirPods Pro 4 isn't expected to be a normal upgrade, it could be a total reinvention. And by the end of this video, you'll understand what Apple is preparing, what features are most likely coming, what's hype versus what's realistic, and whether you should upgrade, wait, or buy something else entirely. But listen closely, because some of the rumored upgrades sound almost unbelievable, like the idea that future AirPods might include cameras. Yes, cameras, in earbuds. Not to take selfies. Not for weird reasons. But to turn your AirPods into a spatially aware wearable computer. And that single rumor alone completely changes everything about where Apple is going next. According to multiple reports and analyst commentary, Apple is planning a much more significant Pro-level update around 2026, and that's where AirPods Pro 4 enters the conversation. Now before we go any further, here's the truth. Apple doesn't leak products. Apple doesn't announce products early. Apple's strategy is to stay silent until the stage lights come on. So what we're discussing today is based on patterns, supply chain reports, patents, and the kind of credible leaks that tend to be right more often than not. In other words, this is the future being pieced together before our eyes. And Apple fans know this already. The biggest Apple upgrades always start as whispers. People laughed at rumors of the iPhone losing the headphone jack, until it happened. People doubted Apple would ever make a headset, until Vision Pro launched. And now here we are, watching early signs of Apple's next wearable leap, and it might be something you'll wear not on your head like Vision Pro, but in your ears. That's why AirPods Pro 4 matters. Not because they're AirPods but slightly better, but because Apple may be using them as the next major gateway into Apple Intelligence, spatial computing, and always-on personalized audio. And if you think earbuds can't be revolutionary anymore, trust me, Apple has barely begun. Let's start with what we know Apple already did recently, because it gives away the roadmap. Apple introduced AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation as a major move, showing they're pushing noise control and smarter audio down the lineup, powered by improved microphones and the H2 chip family strategy. And even in AirPods 4 marketing pages, Apple is heavily emphasizing adaptive audio, voice isolation, head gestures for Siri interactions, and deep OS integration. That's important because Apple almost never spends marketing energy on features that aren't part of the next big platform shift. When Apple starts talking about adaptive and awareness, it means they're preparing you for something bigger than sound quality. And then we have the next clue. Credible reports claim Apple is aligning new audio features with Apple Intelligence capabilities, including things like live translation